Stand at the top of your mat with your feet hip-width apart, toes pointing forward in mountain pose. Balance your weight evenly between both feet to create a firm foundation. Gently engage your abs and lengthen all the way from the soles of your feet up to the top of your head. Draw your shoulders back, lengthen the back of your neck, and look straight ahead. Allow your arms to fall naturally by your sides, palms face inwards, fingers soft. Relax your jaw and release any tension across your forehead. Close your eyes. Bring your attention to your breath. Seal your lips as we take a few deep breaths in and out through the nose. Inhale for the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Feel the breath moving into your body. 2, 3, 4. And out of your body. 2, 3, 4. Allow your belly and chest to expand and contract. Take one more deep breath in and out. Let your breath return to its natural rhythm and try to breathe in and out through your nose throughout the sequence. Open your eyes. Let's warm up with some half sun salutations. Keeping your arms straight. Inhale, circle your arms out and up, look up, touch your palms together. Exhale, lower your hands back down by your sides, bring your chin to your chest. And again. Inhale, sweep your arms out and up, look up, touch your palms together. Exhale, lower your hands back down by your sides, tuck your chin to your chest. Adding on this time. Inhale, circle your arms out and up, look up, touch your palms together. Exhale, draw your hips back, unlock your knees and swan dive down with a flat back into forward fold. Drop your head and bring your fingertips to the mat. Inhale, come halfway up with a flat back, hands can come to your shins. Exhale, fold. Inhale, look up with a flat back, sweep your arms out and up, come up. Exhale, bring your hands back down by your sides. And again. Inhale, sweep your arms out and up, look up, touch your palms together. Exhale, swan dive down with a flat back into forward fold. Drop your head and bring your fingertips to the mat. Inhale, come halfway up, hands can come to your shins. Exhale, fold. Inhale, look up with a flat back, sweep your arms out and up, come up. Exhale, bring your hands back down by your sides. Moving on this time. Inhale, sweep your arms out and up, look up, arch your spine back. Exhale, swan dive down with a flat back into forward fold. Drop your head and bring your fingertips to the mat. Inhale, come halfway up, draw your shoulders away from your ears. Exhale, step back to all fours in the middle of your mat to set up for downward facing dog. Walk your hands forward to the top of your mat. Spread your fingers wide and press into your thumbs and index fingers. Broaden across your collarbones. Spin your triceps back. Tuck your toes. And lift your hips up into downward dog. Straighten your arms, keep your knees bent, and drop your chest back towards your thighs. The goal with this pose is not necessarily to straighten your legs, but to make a straight line all the way from your wrists, up your arms and spine, to your tailbone. Check that your knees point straight ahead, and line up your ears with your biceps. Then walk out your feet a few times to stretch the backs of your legs, your ankles, calves, and hamstrings. Take it nice and slow, pressing your heels, one at a time, back down towards the mat. Next, we'll come into a pose to release tension in your hip flexors. Inhale, sweep your right leg up to the sky. Exhale, step your right foot in between your hands. Drop your left knee and release your back foot. Inhale, sweep your arms out and up into crescent lunge. Bring your palms together or shoulder width apart. Exhale, drop your hips and relax into the pose. Draw your lower abs in to protect your lower back. And hold the pose for a few slow breaths, in and out through your nose. Last breath in. Exhale, bring your hands back down to the mat. Tuck your back toes and step back to downward dog for the other side. Inhale, sweep your left leg up to the sky. Exhale, step your left foot in between your hands. Drop your right knee and release your back foot. Inhale, sweep your arms out and up into crescent lunge. Bring your palms together or shoulder width apart. Exhale, relax into the pose. Draw your lower abs in, seal your lips, and hold the pose for a few slow breaths. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, bring your hands back down to the mat. Tuck your back toes and step back to downward dog. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, drop down onto all fours. Sweep both feet to the right. Sit back and bring yourself to the middle of your mat with your knees bent and your feet out in front of you. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, lower slowly down to the mat for bridge pose. Rest your hands by your sides, palms face down. And walk your feet back until your fingertips graze your heels. Check that your feet are hip width apart, toes point straight ahead. Inhale, press into your feet and lift your hips all the way up. Exhale, relax into the pose. Check that your knees point straight ahead and do not fall out to the sides or in towards each other. If you want to go deeper, roll your shoulders underneath you, interlace your fingers and draw your little fingers down towards the mat. Then lift your chest up and back. If you feel compression at your lower back, you can drop your hips a few inches. Seal your lips and take long, slow breaths at the top of the pose. Keep lifting your chest up and back. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale, release your arms out from under you and lower slowly back down to the mat. Our final pose is reclining spinal twist. To release tension at your lower back, straighten your left leg to the mat and squeeze your right knee into your chest. Bring your right arm out to the side at shoulder height, palm facing down. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, hook your right foot behind your left inner thigh and gently guide your right knee across your body towards the mat. Look all the way to the right if you can. Relax into the pose, letting go of tension on every exhalation. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, come back to center and hug your right knee into your chest. Straighten your right leg to the mat and squeeze your left knee into your chest. Bring your left arm out to the side, palm facing down. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, hook your left foot behind your right inner thigh and guide your left knee across your body towards the mat. Look to the left and relax into the twist. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, come back to center. Hug your knees into your chest and rock gently from side to side. Release your arms and legs and lie back in final resting pose. Let your feet come as wide as the mat and fall open. Relax your hands, palms facing up. Shoulder blades rest evenly on the ground. Close your eyes. We'll finish with a short body scan meditation. Bring your attention to your left foot. Scan from your foot to your knee and up to your left hip. Bring awareness to your right foot. Scan from your foot to your knee and up to your right hip. Bring your attention to your belly. Feel your breath moving in and out. Let go of tension in your shoulders and scan all the way down your left arm from your shoulder to your elbow to your fingertips. Scan all the way down the length of your right arm from your shoulder to your elbow to your fingertips. Relax your jaw, tongue, cheeks, and eyes. Feel the natural rhythm of your breath as you settle into stillness, knowing that in this moment, nothing else matters. When you are ready, roll onto one side and gently bring yourself up to sitting. Now you can move back into your day.